Okay, Gene came over this morning before going to work, and we came over and sat down, and we set the handlebars. So I measured, marked the distance that he wanted them, how far in and out he wanted them, and also at what angle he wanted them, and then also how wide he wanted them, and the other thing is how high up he wanted them. That actually we'll do that once we get. I know exactly where he wants them. So, anyways, spent the whole day shopping for crap. Came up with a front wheel, nice 350 16-inch. I like the 16s. They turn real easy. It's just my size. And I got my bearings for the rocker. So the next thing, and we went shopping and bought mirrors and turn signals and a bunch of other junk. Anyways, handlebars. So we set them up on the bench and measure them and square them, making exactly sure they're just right looking, and they're going to be just right. With a little bit of drop, it's going to be really, really nice. And now I'm going to weld them up. Alrighty. I got the cross members put in there and welded and smoothed up a little bit. And then sat here and tacked this on, held it steady, tacked it on, and looking down it looks pretty nice and straight and square. And the angle is, guess what? Right in line with the front end. See, nice line there, which means when you turn it over, your handlebars stay right in front of you instead of somewhere on some other county, So, and it makes it just easier to freaking drive, if the handlebars stay in front of you. So now we got the angle right, and I measured, and when he was here, we held it up, held the bar up in place, and he said 32. We looked at 32 inches. Well, we got 33, so that's pretty darn close. So that's going to be, and when you sit down and you put your arms up, man, they just drop right into place, It's like so cool. Your hand just falls right naturally there. Your arm and everything is just natural. Just a real natural place for it. So this is going to be cool, way cool. All right, now I'm going to build this part. Come up from here. It's going to come from there. It's a little bridge work. We're going to triangulate this and bridge up. Now the reason we're doing that is because he's a big fella and he has certain mobility issues. So we're making the handlebars extra bulletproof to so that when he wants to get up, he can grab the handlebars and pull, and also get up and push down on the bars real hard in order to stand up. And the same thing, when he sits down, you grab onto the handlebars, bam, and hang on to them, and they won't flex around and move on you. So that's what we're doing. Okay, we pull the handlebars off, got it back on the bench, and now I can build my bridge work in here, and make this real pretty and all whatnot, and nice and strong. And so that's run out of CO2, and it's after 7 o'clock. So that's it for today. This is what I got done. I decided on kind of an industrial look, and to do this, and we make this extra beefy for him. And so I got that. Now I have a lot more welding and grinding and smoothing, and this is going to be, this welds up here, I consider the most critical welds on the entire machine right there, because your handlebars, they come off, you got no control whatsoever, So I turn the welder up to high frequency and really crank it up and just burn the daylights out of these, and weld them in. Make sure I get just tons of penetration so the handlebars do not come off no matter what. So anyways, tomorrow we'll go get some gas and continue on with this little project here. I decided to take a sneak peek to see what it would look like. I think this is going to be real commander. And now I'm getting really cool ideas about the mirror mount. Your mirror is going to be up here somewhere, right along up there. So we have to get from there to over there. And I'm thinking maybe I'll come across here with a couple of flat, or not flat, but a couple of round piece of round stock, right there, and just zip, and then just continue this line right on around. Yeah, maybe I'll just do that, huh? What do you think?